Hey guys, it's Danica, and today's vlog is just gonna be inside today because it's actually raining here in Delaware, and I don't know what he's doing. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my little sister. She just turned 8 yesterday, and hopefully when she gets her YouTube all set out, hopefully she'll start a channel if she wants to.
She's not starting it yet.
And this is my cousin Nikki. Right, Connor? And we're just staying inside today because like I said, it was raining, and he's playing Minecraft. What are you watching?
Minecraft.
He's playing Minecraft while watching Minecraft. What are you doing?
Playing Minecraft. Playing Texagon 3D.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you want to show me?
Popular MOS. If you don't know who he is, watch his channel. It's Popular MOS.
He also has a wife named Gaming with Jen.
Not me.
No, not him. Not Connor. Popular MOS.
And her name is Jen.
Their names are Pat and Jen, but you can also just look up their Minecraft names, and that's also their YouTube names.
Actually, no.
This is actually what it looks like outside right now, and it's just a boring day. For me, it is, cause I was just like up in my room, like. Well, I can't go in there right now. I was reading fan fictions, and then I got bored. And, oh, grandfather. That's my grandfather all the way down there. Yep, in that room. And I just wanted to make this 2-minute vlog, I think. I don't know. I don't know how long I want to do this vlog for. I just wanted to let you know that I'm bored, and I wanted to make this vlog. Well, so I was gonna make this vlog for Saturday and Sunday, and today's Sunday, right? Yeah. Had to make sure. And I don't want to go back to school tomorrow. There will also be surprise vlogs if. And if this, Connor, how many likes should I get on this video?
10.
If I get 10 likes on this video, I'll do a challenge. Just a challenge. Just a challenge. Okay, bye. Don't forget to like or subscribe. And leave your comment down below what challenge I should do. Bye.